Have you been caring for your snake plant for months or even years and still haven't seen a single pup? Well, you're not alone. There's a strange reason why your healthy-looking plant might never multiply, and it's not what you think. Let's uncover the 7 surprising mistakes that could be sabotaging your snake plant's pups, even when everything seems right. The soil you're using is all wrong. Snake plants don't like rich, fancy soil. If you've been using moisture-retentive or nutrient-dense potting mixes, you might be preventing pups from forming altogether. This kind of soil convinces the plant it's got everything it needs, and therefore no reason to reproduce. The secret? Switch to a gritty, well-draining mix made for succulents, with perlite, pumice, or sand mixed in. Less comfort, more action. No temperature fluctuations equals no pups. Snake plants actually like dramatic changes between warm days and cool nights. If yours lives in a temperature-controlled indoor space year-round, it might be too comfortable to push out babies. Give it a seasonal wake-up call, move it outdoors in spring, or crack open a window at night to introduce natural temperature drops. Your watering routine is doing more harm than good. Too much water, rot. Too little, survival mode. Both stop your snake plant from producing pups. If you're giving it random sips or letting it sit in soggy soil, you're asking for trouble. The trick is deep, infrequent watering, then leave it alone until the soil is completely dry. Trust the drought. You're feeding it the wrong way. No fertilizer, no energy. Too much nitrogen, all leaves, no pups. If your snake plant looks lush but stays lonely, your feeding routine might be encouraging the wrong kind of growth. Use a balanced diluted fertilizer, 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 every couple of months during the growing season to fuel healthy rhizomes instead of just tall leaves. The pot is way too big. Bigger pot, better plant, not for snake plants. When you give them too much room, they focus on growing roots instead of producing offshoots. They thrive when slightly root-bound, so go for a pot just an inch or 2 wider than the root ball. Tight space triggers multiplication. It's not getting enough light. Your snake plant might look fine in that shady corner, but it won't produce pups there. Low light conditions keep the plant in a dormant, inactive state. Gradually move it to a brighter spot with indirect sunlight. This sudden boost can kickstart reproduction. Your plant might just be too young. This might be hard to hear, but if your snake plant is under 2 years old, it's simply not ready. Young plants prioritize leaf and root development long before they start multiplying. The only fix here is patience. Keep the care consistent and wait for maturity to do its magic. So now you know, the truth behind your pupless snake plant isn't just one thing, it's a mix of conditions we often overlook. Fix these mistakes and you might just wake up to new shoots appearing when you least expect it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and grow smarter with us every week. See you in the next plant mystery. Until then, happy growing.